Greetings smartwatch fans! Ito, meron tayo ditong bagong smartwatch from ITEL na merong fashionable look and curved screen display. Ang ITEL Smartwatch Fit O20 Ultra. Sa video na ito, aalamin natin yung design. Kasama na rin yung hardware specs. Titingnan natin. Meron tayo dito sa likod. And yung features na loaded sa ating smartwatch, kasama na rin yung mga sports functions. So kung balak nyong bumili ng smartwatch nito at hindi pa kayo mapag-decide kung para ba sa inyo yung smartwatch nito o hindi, panoorin nyo muna yung video nito para makapag-decide kayo ng sakto. Okay? Makapag-decide kayo kung para nga ba ito ba yung gusto nyong smartwatch or kahanap na lang kayo ng ibang brand or ibang model ng ITEL smartwatch. Okay? So, sa mga bago lang sa channel natin, subscribe na, like at share ang nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so umpisa na natin. Tingnan natin ano nga ba yung offered ng mga features and specs sa ating ITEL Fit O20 Ultra. So, ito yung packaging. Simple lang, compact box packaging ng ating Fit O20 Ultra. At dito, pinagmamalaki ng ITEL ang 2.01 ergonomic curve display. Okay, 2.01 yung screen display. Metal body frame, durable zinc alloy bezel, IP68 waterproof rated. Quick access on the home screen. AI powered watch face, meron ding support. Merong Bluetooth calling at 24-hour na heart rate monitoring. So, meron din tayong 12-month warranty para sa ating gadget. Enjoy better life. Okay, so ito yung smartwatch natin. Tingnan natin. Curve. Okay, slightly curve. Hindi naman ganun ka-curve na curve. Slightly curved screen display. Yung body frame, ganun din. Pero sa baba, dahil meron tayong back cover dito, straight lang rin naman. So, zinc alloy body frame. Meron tayong crown button. So, ito, rotary to pagdating sa menus. Yan. Silicone strap na merong 22mm. Okay, na measurement. Quick release pin. Steel buckle. So, ito yung smartwatch natin. So, slightly curved, fashionable. Okay naman yung dating. Wide screen display. So, tingnan natin. 2.01 inch. So, ano nga ba yung screen display natin? Yung model name natin, model name is ISW O20U. U as in Ultra. Yung screen size is 2.01. TFT LCD screen, 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Yung color natin ay titanium gold, merong black na color din. iPulse yung support app. Yung connectivity natin is Bluetooth 5.4. Battery capacity is 300 mAh. Na merong battery life na 3 to 7 days. Yan, ko-close up natin. Standby time, 10 to 15 days. Charging time is 2.5 hours and merong IP68 waterproof rating. So, ito yung smartwatch natin. Yung sa charging cable natin, Pogo pin. Yan, magnetic USB Type A. Okay. Closer look sa ating smartwatch. So, ano nga ba yung offer na features dito? Tingnan natin. Swipe or press yung power button. Swipe. Workout. So, sports functions. So, meron tayong different categories of sports. Ito yung mga popular sports. Hindi ko lang na-try kung pwede nyong palitan yung pinaka main features dito o main sports functions. Pero meron tayong different categories dito. More. So ito yung mga categories natin, common workouts. Ito yung siguro yung pwede nating palitan. Yan, pwedeng napapalitan natin. Indoor fitness, ball sports, outdoor sports. Meron ding dances sa mga sayaw, combat sports, taekwondo siguro to yan, boxing, karate, fencing. May ball sports, of course basketball meron yan. Outdoor sports, dances, combat, recreational sports. Ito aquatics, may swimming bath, tingnan natin. Sailing, surfing, okay, canoeing, rowing, o walang swimming. Pero may mga sports for water activities. Ano pa bang meron? Meron tayong free ice sports. Yan. Okay, baka punta kayo ng Amerika, Korea, or Japan, Europe. Meron tayong ice sports functions. Workout records, automatic activity tracking, steps, calories, time. Wala tayong distance. Meron bang distance? Parang wala. Target 300, wala tayong distance. Pero may time. May Bluetooth call support, AI voice, music control function. So, ito, kung napapansin nyo, walang mga icon or controls kasi kailangan nyo pang i-connect sa app or sa smartphone. Meron tayong heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, pressure. Yung pressure na to, hindi to blood pressure, kundi more on emotional and physical stress. Yung minomonitor. Breathing guide, may camera remote, notification, weather report meron din, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, calculator, find phone, games. So, isa lang yung games, flashlight, at sa settings natin, meron tayong display, layout natin, tatlo lang, yung menu options. Display, meron tayong support for raise to wake, sound and vibration, Bluetooth call support, do not disturb mode, shortcut cards, ito yung sa widget natin. So, pwede nyong baguhin, pwedeng palitan. Power saving mode, meron din. Password. Drain. Ito yung sa, pag nabasa ng tubig ng smartwatch nyo, okay, para lumabas dito sa may speaker. System. So, it includes restart, power off, at reset. And of course, yung about natin. Yung model natin, or device name, QR code ng application. So, sa watch face, ito yung mga preloaded na watch face. Okay, so ano sa tingin nyo about sa smartwatch na ito? Okay ba? Fashionable ba? Okay, unisex ang design at may curve screen display. Ang ating ITEL Fit O20 Ultra. So, kung may katanungan kayo about sa smartwatch nito, drop lang ng comment. Ganun pa rin. Support our channel. Okay, para continue pa rin yung provide natin mga latest smartwatches. Like, share, and subscribe sa ating nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV.